Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and launching the official installer. First, run Python version or Py-3 version in CMD to see what's installed. Once done, download the latest 64-bit Windows installer from the official source and save it. Make sure to close editors and terminal sessions that may lock files and export pip freeze requirements. TXT or note virtualenv so you can recreate environments. Now run the installer as administrator to proceed with the update. When the installer opens, act deliberately. Check Add Python to path so Python and pip work in any terminal. This prevents later path edits. Choose Customize Install to verify pip, documentation, TCL/TK, and optional features like idle and PyLauncher. Next, click Next to view advanced options. Select Install for all users if you want system-wide access, or leave it for the current user. Make a mental note of the install path. You'll need it for virtualenvs, path edits, or tooling configuration. Finish by clicking Install and allow the process to complete. The installer may update PyLauncher and file associations. Once done, open a new terminal and run Python version and pip version to verify the new release is active. Recreate or reactivate virtualenvs using Python mvenv and reinstall dependencies. If imports fail, reinstall packages with pip install R requirements. TXT. One key troubleshooting tip. If path conflicts persist, remove older Python paths from environment variables and restart Windows, Explorer, or Reboot to clear caches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.